Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motor Cars. Today we're showcasing 1961 Chevrolet Corvette, C1 Corvette, the very first model year of the Corvettes, guys. Now this guy is not factory, check it out here. We don't need no stinking LS in this guy. This guy is powered by a 67 Chevrolet Corvette drivetrain, 283 cubic inch motor size. Cool thing about this is it is a dual carb on here too. If you can see on this video, 2 carburetors on here. Nothing crazy on it, you know, this thing's maybe making like 300 horsepower, I would say. 283 Borg-Warner 4-speed transmission on this guy. We did do a cool thing here too. So on these C1 Corvettes, these are actually generator cars, and you guys should look up the price on this. So we did go ahead and do an upgrade. So this is a full alternator conversion, but you keep the tach drive in here because the tachometer runs off the alternator on this car. Pretty cool. Doing a walk around here. Finished in the Tuxedo Black right here. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys, with the white wall tires, ties everything together on here. We didn't go crazy on this guy on the interior. New vinyl top, as you can see. I've actually got it up right now because whenever you leave the cops down on this guy, they kind of like wrinkle up. Brand new material on here. Same thing goes with the interior. Look at the carpet, the door panels, the seats. We didn't do any crazy leather, anything like that, but factory materials in this guy. Let me see if I can pop this trunk for you here too. Let's see here. Woo, it's chilly here. All right, again, factory materials in here. Nothing crazy, no panels, no nothing like that. But I do want to show you one thing on this too, look. So, the nice thing about this car is you got your factory spare tire underneath here. I don't know if you can see that here. And originally on this side, put this back all nice. Let's see here. Over here, woo, it's cold. Factory tools from 61. Pretty cool, man. Those things are over 50 years old. Put this back here. So C1 Corvette, first year of the Corvette. This guy is tiny, small, but man, it is just absolutely unique in the Corvette world, man. Look at this. There's no other car that looks like it. Anyway, let's go for a drive and I'll prove to you how that little 283 spins out. Let's go. Man, such a cool car. Black with the red really goes good in here, man. All the gauges work on here. Everything's got about half a tank of gas. We're sitting at about 180 degrees on here. 60 pounds of oil pressure. Motor is nice and healthy. It's so cool, man. This thing drives really good. I'm usually not a fan of C1s. I gotta be up and honest with you guys. I'm a Chevelle kind of guy. I like a bigger car that's always tight in here, but this thing drives really good. You got plenty of power. Shifts great. And I gotta be honest too, the Tuxedo Black is my favorite combo on this. Let's go. Man, for a little 283, this thing actually runs really, really good. Those dual carbs help out a lot on here. Like I said, this powertrain is out of a newer Corvette 67. We're in a 61 right now. But it really wakes this car up. And 60. That's gonna be about your top speed in this guy. In the rear end too, you do have a 410 rear gear in this, so you're not gonna be doing 80 miles an hour in this guy. Factory differential in the back. But I mean, you can cruise 4th gear, 50, 60 miles an hour all day long in this. That's kind of what Corvettes were famous for back in the day. They're great, great cruiser cars. Really not a lot to go off of. This is a real, I would call a restoration or a survivor type of car too. I mean, you do have the original Wonderbar radio in here too. Really, really cool. Look up for how much those things go for on eBay. Non-factory AC car, so it's heater only, you know, stuff like that, basic, but I would definitely call it a driver. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this 61 Corvette. Come in, take it for a spin, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.